Many people end up paying way too much when trading options into earnings because they're only buying calls and puts. Options AI makes it easier to find alternative lower cost strategies. But it seems like anything but a home run given recent moves and concerns around valuation. Instead of just buying those expensive calls like everyone else, let's use Options AI to find smarter and cheaper ways to play it. So this is the main dashboard here. I'm going to go down to the featured earnings and you can see Meta right here. There's about a 6.8% expected move to either side. Now let's check out the most recent earnings reports. It seems to have been moving pretty drastically. You can see about a 10%, 11%, 11% move in the past 3 earnings. We can also see the volume here on the options chain. You've got about 2,300 for the 690 calls, about 4,000 for the 700 calls, 3,700 for the 710 calls, and on the put side, you've got 2,300, 4,000, about 2,000 here for the 640 puts. Now let's build our strategy here on the right. So we can go to quick strike trades here on the right, and we can click bearish. Now let's check out a bear call spread. So you can see a very high probability of profit, and you're risking about 200 to make 57 with a very cheap cost. And you can adjust your strikes here with these buttons. Now, if I want to be mildly bullish but don't want to pay up for calls, I can sell a bull put spread and use that credit to buy a call spread. So let's click bullish here. So this lets me join the bulls who have been buying meta calls but for way less money. It's basically a debit spread that gives me upside exposure with defined risk. So we'd be risking about 200 here for a $60 gain with an 81% probability of profit. And if you're the type who likes the boring but consistent play, an Iron Condor a week out is usually the smartest move. Even if the stock moves big on earnings, it often mean reverts to a smaller move over the next week or two. Selling the move is one of the most consistent ways to trade earnings. So out of all these strategies, let's go ahead and sell this bull put spread. I can adjust the strikes in seconds and see my exact break evens and probability before I even submit the order. So we're going to go with the 635 puts and the 632.5 puts. So we can submit the order here. So now that we're in the position, I can use the position copilot to set price alerts, stop loss, take profit, or even roll the trade if needed. This is the real power of Options AI. You can compare strategies instantly, build smarter combinations in seconds, and know your exact risk and probability before you ever place the trade. Which strategy are you running for meta earnings tonight? Drop it in the comments below. Visualize your earnings trades for free at optionsai.com.